Hello, it's Jennifer McKenzie, and I am giving you a quick overview of the second session of our Writing and Technology class that Anna and I are teaching. And we have three main objectives for the second session. The first is just about managing technology in the classroom, some tips and tricks. All English teachers grades 7 through 12 now have Chromebooks in the classroom, which is really exciting. Anna's going to walk us through just a tour of Google Apps on our Chromebook. So we'll kind of click and tour Google Apps. And then we'll also practice making Google Forms and then using this add-on called Flubaroo that actually scores work for you. Like, how cool is that? So a reminder again on the lesson plan slides, anything that you see that is a blue underlined thing is a hyperlink to a video. All right, so we're going to do another team builder, and we're going to use this thing called a Vortex Slinky. It is cool and amazing, so show up so you can check that out. It's so much fun. We will go over tips for classroom management. We'll share some resources and just kind of discuss how we are all managing Chromebooks in our classroom right now. And then Anna's going to walk us through these specific items. So creating groups, using your Gmail, using Google Slides, using Google Forms, and we're all going to create forms together and then use the add-on Flubaroo. Using Google Sheets, which is just like the old Microsoft Excel, and then using Google Docs. And so if you would like to watch an overview of Google Apps before you attend the class, you can go ahead and just follow that link, and it'll take you to this really short video. Okay. Then we will actually create a Google form and use Flubaroo to score stuff. And again, if you would like to watch a tutorial before you come to class, just go ahead and click on the links, and you can follow along and practice before you come to class next week. At the very end of our session, Anna's going to kind of walk us through some very practical tips and tricks, things that you should know about Google Apps and Google Docs, specifically as they pertain to student writing in the classroom. There are some really easy things that everyone should know, and so we'll talk about that. And then, as always, our homework is to go back to your classroom, take something that you learned, try it out, and then bring it back the next session where we'll begin the following session with a share out. So session 3, which is on March 17th, we are actually going to talk about Google Classroom. So we would like for everybody to create a Google Classroom and begin messing around with it. We're also going to talk about noredink.com and turnitin.com, two super cool resources for English teachers. And so check those out as well. And there are little video tutorials to all of those linked at the bottom. So that's an overview of our second session, and we hope to see you there.